Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 530 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset of this device. So first of all, find and select settings. Then scroll a bit lower and go to about. And now all you have to do is to click on reset your phone. And if you truly want to perform a hard reset, which will erase all your personal content, including apps, games, pictures, music, and so on, just click on yes. Tap on yes again to confirm, and wait till your phone is rebooted. And now you just have to set up your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.